Welcome back to the channel, guys. In today's video I want to address a very important issue for new and upcoming YouTubers, and it is simply why a lot of channels are getting demonetized on YouTube right now. So the reason why this is happening to a lot of channels, and I even saw a very popular channel complaining about this same issue whereby you get demonetized, right? So actually the reason is simple, and it's because of reused content. All right, now again, the idea that YouTube is trying to push is the fact that YouTube wants everyone to create original content. Okay, and if you are not creating original content, then the YouTube policy is not really happy with you. I wanted to say the YouTube algorithm, but if you're not creating original content, then you are doing the wrong thing. YouTube is trying to push for creation of original content. So those of you who are fond of reacting to other people's content, or just picking up content from different channels and merging them together and creating a video out of it, this video is actually for you. Okay, once you get monetized, you need to be very careful of the kind of videos you are just picking and putting together to create your own content, because there's so much you can do before you fall short of this policy of reused content, right? And again, the reused content I'm talking about is you taking other people's content, repurposing it and posting it. So if there's no significant difference between the original content and your content, then it will count as reused content, and a lot of channels are currently getting demonetized. So that made me really just come back here to do this video to once again remind you upcoming and new and upcoming YouTubers that reused content on YouTube is going against YouTube policy. Okay, so if you must do reused content, maybe you want to react to someone's content, try to make sure that you repurpose that content in a way that it is different from the original content. Okay, so this is my short message to you. This video is not intended to be very, very long, but how do you now avoid this reused content on YouTube so that your channel will not get demonetized? So I'll give you a few tips on how to go about this. Number one, which is the best way to avoid this, okay, is get your camera, open your if you are using your mobile phone like I am, open your mobile phone camera and shoot your content from scratch. Shoot your content, edit your content, and you are safe. Okay, that is the best way. But if you are reacting to other people's content, then you must make sure that you are not playing a very large portion of the video at a stretch. Okay, and make sure you are actually speaking or saying something in your own video, so that at the end of the day, when you are done making the video, the new video is significantly different from the original video. Okay, not the case where you come and you say something at the beginning of your video and then you say let's watch the video, and the video just plays from beginning to end and you are just there looking at the video. No, YouTube may count that as reused content. Okay, and especially when you are monetized, this happens a lot, because the truth is, once you get monetized, the standards that YouTube will hold you to is quite different from the standards YouTube holds non-monetized channels. Okay, so monetized channels, YouTube will put like a proper lens on your channel to make sure you are doing the right thing, and the goal is to keep YouTube safe for everyone. Okay, so that is my little advice for you. If you're watching this video for the first time or you're on our channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, because I'll be starting a YouTube series where I'll dive into so many things about YouTube, how to grow your YouTube channel, how to get monetized on YouTube, how to make sure you are in line with the YouTube policy, and a whole lot of other things. So please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification, and make sure you share this video so that new and upcoming YouTubers can learn from it. Until I come your way again, I remain my humble self, Innocent. Thank you for watching this one. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.